guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayla and we're back with another video. Today, as you guys can see by the title, we're back with our May Ipsy bag reveal, unboxing reveal, whatever y'all want to call it. We showing y'all what's in these boxes. I'm gonna let y'all know the products, how I feel about them, how I like them, so on and so forth. Can't actually let y'all know how I feel about like the products that I haven't used anything yet, but when I do use them, because I tend to use them like throughout my videos, like in my last, I think it was my last 2 videos back with the makeup tutorial, I actually used one of my Ipsy products, which was the blue pigment on my eyeshadow, and I really did like it. It was really pigmented, it was cute, it was popping, it gave me just that pop of fresh air that I really loved. And so that's what I really do with the products, like I use them occasionally. So as I use them throughout life, I'll let y'all know how I feel about them. So let's get straight into the video. This is our May Ipsy bag. Super cute, glittery, just how I love everything. I feel like if you cut me open, sparkles and glitter and just love would just pour out onto you, okay? All right, y'all. So our first item is gonna be this Nature. So I think they kind of like, it's the brand, like they're kind of tricky with like, they're not tricky, but they trying to be creative basically. Instead of it being called Nature, it's called Nature. That's the name of the brand, Nature, and it's a charcoal, it's a 3-step charcoal nose mask. They have step 1, step 2, and step 3 that come in the mask. Gives you directions on the back. And it's 3 steps, so you do 3 different parts. I cannot wait to use this. I might do this tomorrow on my Sunday self spa day, and I'm gonna let y'all know how I feel about that mask. I know I'm gonna love it because anything skincare your girl loves. Second product we have, y'all like my little buff, by the way? I didn't even acknowledge my puff. I just took out some braids and this is what I'm doing. I'm going out right after this video, so I thought I'm gonna sneak in the time. I'm gonna sneak in this video right now before I go out. So second item we have is this nail polish. The name of the brand is Pretty Woman, which I love. We need to be embracing our women, so our women. So Pretty Woman, because it's for a woman, but we need to be embracing our women. So Pretty Woman, I like y'all for embracing the pretty women of the world. And it comes in this color, which is like a silver chrome color. So yes, it comes in this chrome. It's early, y'all. So it comes in this chrome color, which I love. I love silver, I love chrome, I love sparkles, silver, chrome, anything cute like this. I don't know why my camera's giving me such a hard time. All right, it doesn't want to focus. So, but yes, this color is dumb cute. The name of the color is Platinum Status. So when I put this on, guess what? Platinum Status, okay? Period. And I love nail polish, so I know I'm gonna use this really soon on my nails for that pop-in effect. Third item we have is this SL Miss Glam. That's the way it is. So SL Miss Glam, their SS57 blending brush. There we go. So it's like glitter all throughout the brush. We got some 2 gems right here, and then this is the bristle. This brush is dumb cute, and I can't wait to add it to my brush collection. I got hella brushes, y'all, but that's going right in my brush collection. Next item we have, the fourth item we have is this Pixie by Petra H2O skin drink. So this is something, of course, to hydrate your skin. It's a pure hydration gel, and it's by Pixie. I love the brand Pixie. I wanted to get their Pixie Glow Mints, which I'm still gonna invest in, but for now, Ipsy sent me something by them, which I love. It's an intense moisture gel, instantly rehydrates dry skin. I have oily skin, I don't know, but I'll probably use it as like a primer before my makeup. It doesn't really have a smell. It smells like any cosmetic item like that doesn't have scent, so fragrance free. And lastly, y'all, the 5th item we have minor intermission. This video is giving me hella drama today. Like, I don't know, like, I'm not complaining because every Ipsy video that I have done has been smooth. This one, if it's not the focusing, it's my phone acting up with the list because I clicked something, of course, but the loading is so slow. If it's not that, it's the items. Well, it's not the items, but the not focusing, I mean. But yeah, so here comes the plane. All right, y'all, we're back in action. 5th item we have is this Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Versailles. So this is the color and the brand, of course, Ofra. Yeah, see that says Ofra, and this is the color. If you guys watched my Get Ready With Me, the last one I had up when I had my hair out in afro, I had a color like this that I put on my lips, but the color was from my mother, like something that she a lipstick that she used to wear but she doesn't wear anymore. But hers was more like on the silver side. This is more like on the brown nudie side, but it has that metallic glow to it, which is really cute. I swatched this to show y'all. I'm trying to see. You guys see that? So it's like those type of tones. It's like the tones like when you move your lips or move your face. It's gonna give off different tones and different colors. So yes, y'all, that was the last item in our video today. I hope you guys loved each and every item. I hope you guys look into buying an item. If you want to know more about an item, I'll let you know. If I used it, I'll let you know like how I feel about it. And lastly is our pamphlet that I keep on forgetting to do in the beginning of the videos, but that's not a problem. The pamphlets always come with like really cute messages, and this one says, I'm gonna just close off the video by letting y'all know what this quote says: don't give up on your daydreams. That's just a product listing. So I love y'all so much. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to my video. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys know I have videos rolling out like it's water, and I'm gonna continue. I'm on a streak. Like, I missed Friday, but I'm coming back. It's just that I had a lot going on. So stay tuned to my channel, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Show love in the comments. Show the thumbs up button love. Turn on your post notification bell so that you guys get notified when I do upload new videos. And thank you guys just for tuning in. I love y'all so much. Stay blessed, stay prosperous, and go after your dreams, okay?